Did you know menopause doesn't have to mean constant discomfort? If you've been experiencing frequent muscle pain during this phase, today is the day to turn things around. In this video, we'll share simple, affordable, and highly effective home remedies to relieve that pain. From therapeutic compresses to the power of essential oils, each tip has been carefully selected to bring you natural relief. Get ready to transform your routine and take care of your body the way it deserves. The connection between menopause and muscle pain. Before we dive into the solutions, it's important to understand why these aches occur. During menopause, there's a drop in estrogen levels, a hormone that plays a crucial role in muscle and joint health. This hormonal shift can lead to stiffness, aches, and even inflammation. But here's the good news. You don't have to live with it. Small changes to your routine can make a huge difference in your daily well-being. Ginger compresses, instant relief. Let's start with a secret straight from your kitchen, ginger. This superfood is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and its ability to boost blood circulation. To make a ginger compress, grate some fresh ginger and mix it with hot water. Soak a clean cloth in the mixture, wring out the excess water, and apply it to the painful area. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. You'll feel the muscle tension easing and your circulation improving. Repeat this daily for the best results. Homemade magnesium, an indispensable ally. Another powerful solution is adding magnesium to your routine. Magnesium is essential for relaxing muscles and reducing inflammation. You can make your own magnesium oil by mixing half a cup of magnesium chloride flakes with half a cup of warm water. Apply this mixture directly to the affected areas, gently massaging it in. Additionally, incorporating magnesium-rich foods like almonds, spinach, and avocados into your diet can complement the treatment from the inside out. Essential oils, an aromatic and effective approach. Last but not least, let's talk about essential oils. Lavender and peppermint oils are perfect for relieving muscle pain. Mix 2 drops of lavender oil with 2 drops of peppermint oil in a teaspoon of a carrier oil, such as coconut or almond oil. Massage the blend directly onto the affected area. Beyond the relaxing effect, these oils provide a cooling sensation that soothes muscle tension almost instantly. These simple, natural tips are just the start of your journey to relieving common menopause muscle pain. Now that you know how to take care of your body at home, why not share this video with a friend who could benefit too? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more natural health tips, and leave a comment below to let us know which solution you'll try first. See you next time.